Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting a video series on what exactly it means and what benefits come with being 100% permanent and total with the VA by state. Now, what I mean by that is the 100% permanent and total disability compensation amount is the same no matter what state you live in. However, the other benefits that come along with being 100% PNT are a little bit different per state. There's tax exemptions for vehicles, home ownership, there's VA home loan benefits, there's education benefits for you, your benefits for your children and your spouses. So you want to know the details and the specifics for your state. And there's not a whole lot of information easily accessible out there. So I'm trying to bring it to you easy here on YouTube. So I'm starting today with, by my research, the #1 veteran-friendly state in the United States, and that is Florida.
100% disability in Florida, what does that get you exactly? The monthly disability compensation payment is what most people know about, and we'll start there. Now, the 100% rate does not differ by state. It is the same no matter what rank you were, how long you were in, it's all the same based on a few different factors. Now, it does make a difference in your monthly payment if you're married, if you have children, if they're in college, if they're under 18, those specifics do make a difference. But the 100% rate currently in 2023 for a single person with no dependents is 36.21 and 95 cents. That is the low water line for 100% currently as of today. Disabled veterans in Florida may be eligible for a property tax exemption on their primary residence only. If you have rental properties, this does not cover those. The exemption can be up to $50,000 for veterans who are rated at 100% by the VA. You may qualify for some type of property tax exemption with other ratings. You can be rated at 10% and still qualify for exemptions, but to hit this 50,000, you have to be 100% disabled. Vehicle tax exemptions. Now, this exemption provides a reduction or elimination of the annual license tax on a vehicle. The vehicle must be owned and registered in the veteran's name. So, if it's in your spouse's name, it will not qualify. And it has to be used primarily for personal transportation. This cannot be a business vehicle. So, you can't qualify for the exemption for a business exemption as well as a personal exemption for disability. So, you have to kind of pick one here. Now, to claim this exemption, you have to provide a copy of your VA disability rating letter showing 100% P&T, along with proof of registration and a payment of license tax to the local county tax collector's office. The veteran must submit an application for the exemption annually to continue to receive the credit. It is not a one and done. This is something you have to do every year. Make sure you bring this paperwork with you when you go to register your vehicle. It's important to note this exemption only applies to the annual license tax. It does not exempt other taxes and fees like registration fees or sales tax on the purchase of a vehicle. Education benefits. This is where things start to add up. Now, veterans who are 100% disabled by the VA qualify for a variety of educational benefits for themselves, including the Florida Veterans Scholarship Program, providing scholarships to qualified Florida residents who are disabled. Now, Florida also provides a 4-year college education opportunity for dependent children and spouses of veterans who died from a service connected disability or who are currently 100% permanent and total. So 100% permanent and total is a specific rating. You can be 100% not PNT, so make sure you have this designation on your decision letters. And again, this is Florida providing this 4-year college. You would have to go to school in Florida. Most states, you will have to have your children go to school in state, in the state that you retired in or that you're currently receiving your benefits in. Healthcare benefits. 100% disabled veterans in Florida are eligible for free or low cost healthcare through the VA healthcare system. Now, this is also available to children through the CHAMPVA program or CHAMP VA. This can include medical treatments, prescriptions, and other services that can help manage their health conditions. Make sure you apply online if you haven't already. You should qualify if you are a disabled veteran. If you're not yet in the process of getting your disability, make sure you provide a copy of your DD 214. If you do not have one yet, you're in the process of getting out, you can still apply online, get the process started, and register for your account. Oftentimes with the VA, you can do community care referrals. So if you're in a location that doesn't have a VA nearby or any kind of military installations nearby, you can go to referrals in the community through community care VA referrals. VA home loans. Veterans who are rated 100% disabled by the VA may be eligible for VA home loans. These loans can offer favorable terms and conditions, including no down payment, no PMI or private mortgage insurance, and competitive interest rates. Disabled veterans are exempt from the VA funding fee, which is routinely 2 to 3% of the finance loan amount. You have to be disabled. You cannot just have a veteran status, but this is at any rating. You do not have to be 100% disabled to be exempt from the VA funding fee. Florida offers a range of benefits for veterans, including no state income tax, a high quality VA healthcare system, and a variety of employment and education opportunities. Florida also has a large veteran population, a mild climate that can be attractive to retirees. Many consider Florida to be the most veteran and military friendly state because 1.5 million veterans call Florida home. The governor himself is a veteran right now, and he's signed numerous bills in the last 2 years offering support to active duty military veterans and their families. Information on veteran resources in Florida is readily available online, and I'll drop a few links in the comment section below.
Thank you guys so much for joining today. Please drop a comment if there's a state you would like me to cover in the future. If there's other benefits that you want me to discuss when you're not 100% permanent in total for these different states, please let me know what topics you would like me to cover in the next videos. But otherwise, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.